This is Dr. Mitchell out here at Restoration with Hilton Wary, and we want to talk to you about gardening. How to put a small garden in your backyard beside your house so that you can grow your own food at home. We're seeing from the situation we're facing now, it's so important to be able to grow some food, grow some vegetables. You know, people pay extra money today to buy organic food, but if you're growing it in your own yard, it is organic. And so we're going to talk to you about how to prepare the land, prepare your yard, prepare your garden, and then how to process it all the way through to planting the kind of food you want to plant, what works best in this environment, and then how to get it from seed to harvest. And that's a good part. You know, I grew up gardening, and Hilton grew up gardening,
yes.
But he's currently gardening. So we do it out here every year at our church, but he's our lead on that. So I thought, let me give you a on-time, real-time professional who's going to take you through the basic tips to cause you to have some seasoned food right outside your door.
Hey everybody, I'm at Restoration Ministry International, and here we got our raised garden. What we did first is we went and built a box, as you can see, and then we went and got some compost. We got the compost thrown in the ground. This composting box here been down for a few years, so we have grass and anything in it. But if you're going to start a garden at your house, all you have to do is build a box and call it a raised garden, and build your box, buy your compost, put it in there, and you don't have to tilt it or anything like that. You put your fertilizer down there, you make your row. What I'm going to do is take you through this step. After we done put the compost down, we build our box, as you can see, and then we're going to make the rows for the garden. And first what I'm going to do is throw some fertilizer over the area that we're going to plant our seeds in. So what I'm going to do is stop here, grab my bucket with my fertilizer, and throw it over the area. And your fertilizer will be 10, 10, 10. I'm not going to do all 6 of the garden boxes, so just bear with me. I'm going to do this one here so we can take you right through it from start to finish. And you take your hole, and right here like this, you're making your row. Remember, your compost wouldn't have all this grass in it because the wind blew grass. When we cut the yard, the seeds come out here, so we have a little bit of grass in ours. Okay, I'm gonna get another rake the grass clippings off of it. This is because nature blows the seeds around and it gets in the garden. So you got to remember, good dirt. In order to keep good dirt, you got to work it. You got to always work it, because if you don't, then weeds will take over and choke your plants out. Okay, that's just one row I'm going to do for you right there. And then once you build your hill, you come between it. And you make your little path in it. Try to get all your debris out of it. And then what you do, whatever type of seed you're going to plant, you put it in there. If you're going to use plants, you make a hole. For example, collard greens. If you're using the plants, what you do is make a little hole, make it about 12 inches apart, so when the blades, the leaves grow on the collard green, it don't overlap each other. And then you put it in like that. But if you're just planting seeds, you drop your seeds 2 to 3 inches apart and cover it with about 2 inches of dirt, like this. And you water it. We got an irrigation system set out here. Normally you water it for 30 minutes every other day. And our irrigation system is set up on a timer, so it automatically waters for us. So if that's what you want to do, you come outside with your water hose. The thing about it is, you get it in the ground. This is the right time of year for seed, because if you don't have plants, the ground has to be a certain temperature for seeds to grow. And it says it's a good time to plant seeds in your garden. Good luck, Godspeed, and thank you.